Hello everyone! With the HAIGenie Tutor app, you can practice and learn the proper way of hand hygiene using nothing but your own smartphone. To get started, launch the application and enter your user ID and password. Upon successful login, you will receive a confirmation message, successfully logged in. Within the app, you will encounter our Genie offering 3 options: audio-video guide mode, audio-only guide mode, and assessment without guide mode. Upon selecting any of 3 guide options, you will be directed to the next page. Here, place your phone on a flat surface or a table with the front camera facing upward. Also, ensure that your hands are at proper height above the camera, far enough so that the both of your palms are fully visible without getting cropped, and yet close enough so that the background space around your palms is minimal. Also, keep your face out of the frame. For an accurate assessment, please ensure that the background doesn't have moving objects, example, ceiling fan, and that your hands are adequately illuminated. For a speedy response, please ensure a reliable internet connection, preferably 3G or higher while using the app. Let's begin with audio-video guide mode. When you start, the front camera will activate, displaying the recording screen on the left and guide video on the right. To begin the hand washing process, slightly move your hands. The camera will activate once it detects the motion. Follow the action demonstrated in the guide video as it plays, accomplished by audio cues for timing your movements. Ensure your hands are visible and well framed in the camera's view, and keep your face out of the frame. After completing all the steps, a score screen will appear. Red cross marks signal any steps missed or performed incorrectly, while green tick marks indicates correctly executed actions. You can also replay this session to examine where your hand motion differed compared to the prescribed hand motions. To return to home screen, simply tap on home screen button located at the center of the display. Now, let's proceed with audio mode. In this mode, you will follow along with audio instructions that detail each step. Ensure your hands are visible and properly framed in front of the camera throughout the process. Upon completing all the steps, the same score screen will appear that you saw earlier with the video guide mode. Next, let's explore the without guide mode. In this mode, there will be no audio or video guidance. You will need to perform the hand washing steps according to WHO recommended timings and gestures. After completing all the steps, the same score screen will appear. Please note that in the no guide mode, the recording will automatically stop when the camera sees that the motion has stopped. To give it another attempt, initiate a new video recording by pressing the home button and then clicking on the button with the guide option of your choice.